Hi, this is Ms. Arroyo, and today we are going to show how to represent data. Today our goal is to organize, represent, and make sense of data with up to 3 categories. We are also going to ask and answer questions about data presented in different ways. So today we're going to sort it into categories. Go ahead and do this in your head. 10 minus 4. You should have 6. Do 9 minus 2. You should have 7. Today, we're going to sort data into categories, and we're going to organize, represent, and interpret data with up to 3 categories, ask and answer questions about the total number of data points, how many in each category, and how many more or less are in one category than another. Today, we're going to start out with our vocabulary word, and that word is to sort. To group or organize objects by their shared attributes. Notice that these are all footballs over here. Doesn't matter the size or color, all footballs. These are all soccer balls, and these are all golf balls. So we see that it's sorted by the type of balls. So that means to sort, to split them up into those groups based on their type. So how do we sort? We're going to think about what makes an item in a group similar, what makes them different. And we are going to use these similarities and differences to categorize and classify items of groups with similar attributes. And attributes just means something that it has. We also have another vocabulary word, and that's data. Data is numerical information about a set of objects. So this big word right here, numerical, we're just looking at the number of objects. We have 13 footballs, 4 soccer balls, and 10 golf balls. So we need to have that data right there. Data is 13 footballs, 4 soccer balls, and 10 golf balls. That's all data is. How can we sort these fish? Okay, well, you might first of all notice that they're different colors. So we can sort by orange fish, or we can sort by purple fish. You might also notice that some of these fish, regardless of their color, have stripes, and some of them have dots. And you notice the purple ones too. We have a purple one with dots, and we have a purple one with stripes. So you could do categories of stripes and dots, or you can do categories of orange fish versus purple fish. We have another problem that we can sort with. It says Tori loves ice cream. It's a hot day. She wants to sell ice cream. How can she sort these ice cream cones into groups for her stand? Go ahead and think about that for a second. What colors do you see? What shapes do you see? Let's see how Tori sorted it. Okay, so Tori seems to have sorted by the color of the ice cream cone. So over here we have, oh, and actually, you know what? The color tells us something about the flavor. So I'm going to put C for chocolate, S for strawberry. You can go ahead and write this out if you have the time, and V for vanilla. So she sorted by the flavors and the colors. Now we see she mixed up the flavors and the colors of the ice cream. So we know pink is strawberry, the creamy white color is vanilla, and the rich chocolatey brown color is definitely chocolate. But this time she mixed up those flavors. But we see we have the shape of the cone. Some are pointy and some are flat. So over here we have the pointy cones. We can do P for pointy. And the flat bottomed cones, we can put F for flat. Just for the sake of time, I'm not going to write out the whole word. Now we have an activity. If you can access this on an internet device, go ahead and feel free. You are going to go to, let's see, hellosmart.com and enter the number 54986. So go ahead and do that if you can. Let me know how it goes. I'll let you do that on your own time. And then on Canvas, there's an assignment where you get to sort out different t-shirts into groups. So if you can do that, also go on Canvas as well. And I challenge you to find toys in your room that you can sort by, or maybe even your own clothes. You can sort by color, size, shape, whatever you decide, and go ahead and show your parents too how you would sort it, maybe help them out with something at home. So that's all for today. Let me know